Again, so there's a house in my neighborhood who has these, they've got some big rock birds in their front yard that I kind of like the idea of. So I thought I'd give it a try. I've never tried doing anything like this with rocks before. So anyway, so this is me going to the local beach and picking up a few rocks. They're not exactly what I wanted. They're a little smaller than I wanted. Most of them, there's a couple of good sized ones there, but most of them are smaller. And it turned out that my hammer drill, or my rotary chipper hammer, actually is a little too strong for these sized rocks, and it ends up just splitting them up. So I didn't put all that trial and error in this video, obviously. But this is kind of a bit of the successes I had. I'll try again with some bigger rocks and using the drill without the chipper function on. I think it'll work better that way. You can see how long it's taken me to drill some of these holes. I'm being really, really gentle with the pressure on it, and it seems to be kind of working on these size rocks. Yeah, so just watch along, and you'll see me create this little rock bird that's now sitting on my front step. I'd like to eventually start combining wood and stone. Since I live kind of in the land of granite rocks here close to Peggy's Cove, Nova Scotia, there's lots of rocks around, and maybe combining the rocks and the log stuff together would be an interesting project. I don't have anything in mind yet. This is just my first attempt at working with stone at all. Pretty straightforward stuff, as you can see. But I hope to kind of try some different things and see what happens. And I'll either create little pieces of art or gravel. I'm not sure which. I think either way, though, it would be kind of fun project, and if I can make something that ends up working out, it would really bring home the Nova Scotian aspect of it, since at least this part of Nova Scotia is so rocky. I think it would really kind of anchor it home. Anyway, something I want to try.